Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Story Parrot. I'm your storyteller and I'm going to read yet another wonderful, amazing, interesting story. Okay, so I hope you all are listening to the stories till now, and I really love if you all comment whether what you like about the stories or anything you want to ask me in the story, of course, in the story. Okay, so let's start with the story today. So today's story name is Poor Old Rabbit. Again, my favorite series, Biff Chip Keeper story series. It's amazing, very good for reading. Okay, so it's about a toy which is really torn, dirty toy, and nobody want the toy. So what happened to the toy? We need to see. Let's start the story. So this is the book which we are going to read today. Look at the book. And what is the name of the story? It's Poor Old Rabbit. And what is on this storybook's cover? There is a boy with yellow hair boy. Do you remember his name? Yes, his name is Kipper. And Kipper is wearing an orange striped shirt. What is in his hand? It looks like a really old rabbit toy. Yes, it's an old rabbit toy. It's torn from ear and it's pretty dirty. It's really dirty. Let's see what happens in the story. So here this is the first page of the story. Here some children are playing together. They are playing football. And this boy in green shirt and blue pant has kicked this football. See his leg. And they all are playing together nicely. So who all are there? This is Keeper. This is Keeper's brother Chip. This one is Keeper's sister Biff. And these two is Will and Wilma. They are Keeper's friends. And you see both Will and Wilma has so curly hair. Right? Beautiful curly hair. And this yellow one, this is Keeper's new dog. Yes, the one they bought from the dog's home, and they gave him a name. And what's his name? His name is Floppy. Yes, and Floppy is looking here. There is a dustbin he's looking at. The dustbin. In the dustbin there is something on the top. What is that? Oh, it's a really old toy. So Floppy saw a toy rabbit. He saw a toy rabbit. What he did, he was feeling sad for the toy rabbit. He was thinking, poor old rabbit, said Floppy. Nobody wants it. Nobody wants this poor old rabbit. They have thrown it in the dustbin. And what is happening in the background? This background. Here is Keeper. He's holding a football. And these all friends are playing together. And there is a boy who is flying a butterfly kite. And here, something is happening here. Our dog is chasing. He's chasing who? Very tiny creature. Oh, it's a squirrel. Dog is chasing a squirrel. So next what happened? Floppy took the rabbit in his mouth and he ran towards Keeper. Floppy took it to Keeper. Floppy took the rabbit to Keeper. And Keeper is thinking, oh, what is this thing in Floppy's mouth? Oh, poor old rabbit, said Keeper. Oh, Keeper also felt sad for the rabbit. So Keeper took it to Mama. He took it to Mama and he said, Mama, look here, Mama. Come outside, Mama. Oh, Mama listened to Keeper's voice and she opened the door and she's looking outside. And see here, Dad is also seeing outside. He's also peeping. He's seeing, oh, what Keeper is saying. He is reading. See, Dad is reading newspaper. So Keeper said, "Look at this rabbit, Mom. Look at this rabbit." "Nobody wants it, Mama. It's so old." Mama is saying, "Yes, okay." And Mama has a tail. What? No. Oh, no, no, silly auntie. It's not Mama's tail. It's Floppy's tail. But where is Floppy? Where? He is behind Mama. Oh, he's standing behind. So this is Floppy's tail. Silly me. Mama took the rabbit to Dad. Then she said, "Look at this rabbit," said Mum. "Oh, look at this dirty rabbit." And Dad said, "Okay, I will wash this rabbit." So Dad put the rabbit inside the washing machine. He put the washing powder. He on the switch. And then what happened? The rabbit goes round and round inside the washing machine. And it got washed. So Dad washed it. So Dad washed the rabbit. And after washing, see, the rabbit is so clean. Yes. And now Keeper brushed it. So it's a furry rabbit. So Keeper is brushing the rabbit. And since the rabbit ear is torn, Chip and Wilma, they both mended it. They mended with the needle and thread. They sew the rabbit's ear. And look at the toy rabbit, clean, shining, mended, and he's so happy, rabbit toy. Now everyone wanted. They all wanted it now. It's so clean and nice looking rabbit toy. It looks new. They all have started saying, "Give it to me." And now, oh no, what is happening here? They all are pulling the rabbit's hand and feet and leg and ears. "It's mine. Give it to me. It's mine. Give it to me." They're pulling. Oh no, poor rabbit. So Keeper said, "Poor old rabbit, look, they are so much pulling the rabbit. It got again torn at the ear, but it's okay, he's clean." Now, that's the end of the story, but I think there should be more. What do you think the Keeper will do? Can you tell me? Will he keep the rabbit and play with it, this rabbit toy? Or he will also throw the rabbit toy in the dustbin? Have you ever thrown your toy in dustbin? Let me know, okay? That was the story. I hope you all have listened very carefully because I'm going to ask so many questions. It's a question time. Okay, so my first question is, where is Floppy looking? Where he is looking? He is looking at the poor old rabbit toy. He's looking at poor old rabbit toy. Yes. Now, can you tell me why someone will throw the toy in the dustbin? Why they will throw the toy in the dustbin? Because the toy is very old, it is torn and it's very dirty. So they throw the toy in the dustbin. If it is really old, dirty and torn, or a toy is broken, they will throw it in the dustbin. Don't pick anything from the dustbin, okay? Don't pick anything. Okay, it's a dirty thing. Okay, so can you tell me how Dad washed the rabbit? How Dad washed the rabbit? What he did? How he washed the rabbit? He washed the rabbit by using washing machine. Right? He put the washing powder in it and on the washing machine. So he washed the rabbit using washing machine. Who sewed the rabbit? Who sewed the rabbit's ear? Who mended the rabbit? Who? Who is this? Chip and Wilma. They both mended the rabbit ear. And in the end, What happened? Everyone wanted the rabbit. So why they all wanted the rabbit now? Why they want the rabbit toy? Why all of them are opening their hands and saying, give us this toy, give us this toy. Why? Because now the rabbit toy is new. It's looking new. It's clean. It's not dirty and it's mended and it's shining. It's looking like a new toy. So everyone wants him now. Okay, so that's for today.